This one, you can clean also your contact lens here. Very nice. And ito panglakad outdoor kasi transition to, so pag mainit ang araw parang naka sunglass na rin ako. This one is my everyday sunglass work. Minsan ma-oily kaya kailangan linisin. I use this pag may work ako everyday. This one I use this pag magsiswimming kasi transition din to, and yung quality nito hindi nasisira, good siya kahit na stuck na yung waterfall with chlorine. Okay, good siya. So this one is my inside house spectacles pag naglilinis ng bahay at para makita ko yung mga buhok-buhok, lahat ng maliit na dumi. So ito yung gamit ko, so puro pawis. Same with this, pawis, only pawis. Ito pawis, ito alikapro outdoor, ito sa chlorine. Then this one kay kuya. After this isusunod ko. So it's done. Wait, next natin yung kay kuya. Kay kuya, ano ba yung spectacle ni kuya? Ondays siya. This one is for kuya. We buy this Ondays. This one Charles. You balance Ondays. Let's go first lens card. Yeah. So pang aura outside door kasi transition din siya. Ito for my everyday work. Ito pag may swimming kasi good quality siya para sa mga chlorine water chlorine yan. And this one pang bahay, pag maglilinis ng bahay, so I can see all the hair fall tsaka alikabok. Then kay kuya, bago na yung kanyang specs for this year. Next is for my honey, for work and outside then. See, look at the water. May mga alikabok, parang maliliit na balahibo, tsaka parang konting oily na yung water dahil sa pawis. Kaya worth it naman bumili nito. Later kay Bonso naman, nasa school. Ito New Balance to. See this one, New Balance. Where's the N? Yeah, N. You can see the N.
Okay.
And then I forgot to press.
I have clear vision.
Yan.